Here we will write a program to print sum of AP series, that is arithmetic progress series. For this, first we will define class. Here we are going to accept the starting number, the total number of numbers that you want to print in the series, and the difference between the number. So we will define three variables, n1, n2 and difference. Then we will define constructor with three parameters. Then we will assign these constructor variables to our local variables. Then we will define the function public void display series. Here we will calculate the last number and sum of the series. So we will define two variables, one for last number, another for sum, which is initialized with 0. Then we will find the last number of the series. So ln equal to n1, that is starting number, plus n2 minus 1 into difference. From here we will get the last number of the series. Then we will print the message sum of AP series. The formula for calculating the sum of AP series is sum equal to n2 into 2 into n1 plus n2 minus 1 into df divided by 2. Then we will use for loop for int I equal to n1, I less than or equal to ln, that is last number, and I equal to I plus df, that is difference between two numbers. And here we will print the series. So if I not equal to ln, we will print the value of I. Else we will print I and sum. To execute this series in another class main method, we will create object of this. Before that, we will accept the starting number, ending number and the difference from the user. So we will define three variables and we will accept them from the user. In n1 we will accept the starting number. In n2 we will accept the total number of numbers that we want to print. In n2 we will accept it. Then we will accept the difference between the number. In df we will accept it. Then we will create object of our class AP series and we will pass n1, n2 and df as a constructor parameter, and then we will call the method display series from that class. Now we will execute it. I will enter the starting number 0, total number to print is 10 and the difference between number is 2. Here we have printed the sum of AP series is 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is the difference between two number is 2 and the total is 90. Here we have used this formula, sum equal to n2 into 2 into n1 plus n2 minus 1 into difference divided by 2. This is the formula for calculating the sum of AP series. And here I have used this I not equal to ln to display the plus sign, and else we will print the equal to sign.